The ESPS claims dance group embodies the spirit of learning does, gracefully soaring with passion and precision. As the face of the powerful symbol, they dance not only to entertain but also to express their unwavering faith, talent, passion, and dedication. Each movement speaks of the strength they carry within, a strength drawn from their belief in themselves and in God. Their performances reflect not just skill, but a deep connection to their purpose, spreading joy, inspiration, and the message of faith through the art of dance. Together, the ESPS flames are strong. They are the flames of fire. They will burn the stage with the best performance in the K-pop evolution. They shall bring power, soar like doves, and ignite the stage with exquisite flawlessness. They are very demure, very mindful, and very powerful. They are the ESPS flames, the athletes of God, and will bring glory together.
I bring all the drama.
Yes!
May I introduce mo mag-ligas? Kahit isa lang. Paano yung naging preparation? Hinihingal ko siya, guys. Okay, hinga muna tayo. Paano yung naging preparation ko? Curious ako kasi you guys are students. Paano nyo napagsabay yung ACADS and yung pag-prepare nyo for MGC?
Actually, sobrang stress po kami kasi di mo, napapagsabay po namin yung ACADS pero meron po kami 3 weeks only to prepare for this pyesa and thankful po kami sa mga tumulong ng bumuo. Ano kay Rini, our president.
Ako naman, gusto ko mag-interview dito. Ano ang masasabi niyo sa mga members ng dance group niyo?
All of us did our best and ginawa namin to. Thank you, Lord. Ginawa namin sa pagkaha. Thank you.
Yes! Grabe! Grabe! Alam mo, partner, nakakatatlo na tayong performance for today.
Pero,
Yes.
grabe yung energy. At hindi na ako
Espiritu Santo, Marilohan, School of Manila, here's Rihanna Audrey Ortega from the ESPS Flames. Parang luminis yung stage dun.
Grabe yung walking! Napakagaling! Of course!
Parang luminis yung stage dun. Ready for goes to
Tayo ko din ulit. Nakakatuwa, hindi sila nauubusan ng energy. Ilang hours na tayong ganito.
Okay, so are you ready? The best dancer is Rihanna
People's Choice Award goes to... The People's Choice Award goes to... ESPS Games of Espiritu Santo Parochial School.
Grabe, ang ating People's Choice Award.
Yes, congratulations! Parang ayaw nila sumigaw kasi siyempre gusto nila champion eh.
Champion, oo nga naman.
Champion. Pero this is for our second place!
With the choreography that left us all in awe, give it up for...
And the second placer is ESPS.
Well deserved, guys!